So this is a 1 year update on the sling bag. The first video I made was pretty much the overall impressions was very good, very solid bag. After 1 year, the two things I should talk about are, one, it's going to be some of the seams are getting kind of, as you see, worn out. It could be because of weight or whatever, me tugging it, and it will get loose. So something you gotta consider if you were to get one of these. The other seams seem to be okay, like none of this is ripping, but that seam right there is a little bit torn. And you can see some of this right here, small little details. This is also coming apart. And the second thing is the strap itself. So I pretty much have to readjust this every couple of days to retighten it, or else it just gets loose over time. It doesn't matter if I have a lot of things in this bag or not. Right now, there are a lot of things in this bag, and it's pretty heavy, maybe 4 or 5 pounds. But even if I have like less than a pound of stuff in this bag, this strap will unloosen over time. So I find myself retightening it every couple of days. So this gets kind of annoying to get to manually tighten it. But overall, it's been very solid. All the compartments still work. All the zippers are still intact. And this magnetic clip still works. But the seams you just have to pay attention to, and the strap.